Hey, what's up, guys? Today's Prepper here. Just wanted to give you guys a little insight on what you guys would sound like if you wore an N95 mask. Now, I'm not the most clean-shaven guy, as you can tell, but this is providing me a pretty dang good seal. So, just just take this into account, the way you would sound if you were to don a N95 and go out with all intentions of coming back home safe. I mean, what if one of the straps breaks, then you're SOL. But that is the least of that is the least of your worries right there. So this is what you sound like with an N95 on, and you know it's just really a good tool to have in your bug out bag. That's my roommate downstairs and whatever. So, you know, the N95, it's a great tool, and it can get kind of hot in here as far as the temperature of the outside of the mask and stuff like that. But you know, it's something you have to deal with. So what you can do is you can put a moisture absorbing towel in there, or a moisture absorbing packet, something to get the moisture out as far as your breath goes, and something like that. I'm putting this on purely for demonstration right now, just so you guys would know how you sound in a N95 dust mask. That that's pretty much my whole that that's pretty much my whole goal in this video. So I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys later. And today's Prepper, signing clear.